Hey guys, it's your boy Redland here again. On today's video, I just want to show you guys on how to fund or deposit your Exness trading account. You can see my account right now. I want to use the application to teach you guys. You can see my application right now showing deposit, withdraw history and details. So when you want to deposit your account, you can see deposit right here. You will click deposit. It will actually load. We have a lot of payment method. We have online bank transfer, we have USDT, we have bank card, we have Binance Pay, we have a lot, Bitcoin, Kuda, etc. So as a Nigerian or maybe in Africa, the method I want to teach you guys today is an online bank transfer. Is one of the fastest method to deposit your trading account. So here we go. We choose online bank transfer, which is recommendation. The minimum amount you can deposit using online bank transfer is $10. You can see online bank transfer. This is your MT4 this thing, and then you will type the amount, the total amount you want to deposit to your trading account. You can see the conversion of the minimum amount I can deposit is 12,000. Let's say I want to deposit 12,200. So I will just click. You can see it's deposited $10. I will just click continue. So I will confirm. They ask me to confirm everything, whether it is okay. So I will just confirm. You can say pay with bank transfer. So they ask me, before you make payment, transfer only exact amounts. They ask you must only transfer the exact amount, and do not save they reuse the account number. It is only one time account number that they generated for you. It is everything is fixed, so don't save it. So you click I understand this instruction, so then continue. You can see here is the one time bank account number they give you to deposit. Then you will copy the account number directly. So I copy it. I'm going to my bank account to go and pay the money, so I'll just paste it right here, Wema. So it's actually display the KPY Exness. So I'll just click next. You can go and check you have to check everything well so that you won't make any mistake. So go back to this thing and check for the amount here. You can copy the amount also. So you copy it like this and copy and go to your bank account and paste it right away. You can see it's 12,200, equivalent to $10. So you can see right there, I will just pay with my bank account right away. Boom. So let me go back to the app, then let me wait for some minutes. They will credited my account right away. Let's keep on waiting. Don't save this account number. It's one-time use. It's loading. They will confirm soon. Let's keep on waiting. Boom, success. Your payment of 12,200 has been successful. You can see this thing is actually so far. See my money right here. Please, if you really like this video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and then you can see the notification of the money. So don't forget to subscribe.